Hi, so this is the unboxing of the Dollar Shave Club package that I got. I just ordered it last week and I got it in a week's time, and I'm from Canada, so this is the package that I got. First of all, pretty disappointed about the packaging. It's not what they show in their website or in their advertisement. They have like a box with a pamphlet and stuff, so just a simple package in Canada. So for the unboxing, let's open it. That's it, nothing else. So here we have the handle. It's pretty nice. It's a pretty nice handle. Then here's the out with the old razor, in with the smooth razor. So it's laminated, so you could put this in the washroom and it won't get wet. But the inside is not laminated though, so I think it'll still get destroyed. There you go. 4 razors. And then meet the team. What's this? Just I don't know what the meet the team thing. Then a Dollar Shave Club official member card. So it's not much use for this also. So basically that's it. Yeah, like the US box has a free sample of their shaving butter, but here in Canada there's nothing. So but the razor handle seems pretty good. The blades, we'll see. So that's the unboxing of the Dollar Shave Club Canada edition. And this is the 4X, by the way. Okay, bye.